Are you looking for an investment property that offers immediate income potential and endless possibilities for expansion? I'm Jessica with eXp Realty in Nelson. Welcome to this 2.5 acres of opportunity. This income-generating property features not one, but 2 modern modular homes, plus 2 cozy sleeping cabins. This 40 by 60 insulated workshop is a standout feature of this property, complete with amenities. Bring your business ideas. Thank you for joining me on this video tour today. Contact me to learn more or schedule your private showing, jessicahorey.com.